Hi, my name is Gaston. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at our inventory today. We will be looking at our 41V15. Has a 15-foot garage. One of our favorite toy haulers on the lot. As soon as you walk into this beautiful coach, to the right-hand side, immediately what you're gonna find is gonna be the bedroom and the bathroom. As you can see, you have really nice barn door style doors on the bathroom. You have two entrances, one from the living room and kitchen area, and then one from the bedroom. One thing you're gonna see in the bathroom is that it has a really nice shower, lots of room in it. Once we walk into the bedroom, one of the things that most of our customers love about this particular unit is that they have plenty of space to get around, lots of storage. Okay, really nice closet with a mirror on it, so you could be getting ready and people can be using the bathroom still. They have a really nice closet with a washer and dryer connection. It has a really nice storage for your drawers and more storage underneath the bed as well. Once you walk back down to the kitchen and living room area, one thing you're going to see is that this has an abundance of counter space. One of the best in its class. As you can see, the counter will fold up in front of the dish washer, in front of the sink, and giving you a lot more counter space. As you can see right here, you have a really nice oven, lots of space right to the right of it and to the left. Really nice open floor plan with really nice microwave, large refrigerator, and also a really nice compartment for your freezer. As you come over to the living area, what you're going to see is that you have a really nice large couch with a lot of storage above it. You can fit 4 people, and all of the seats recline. Directly in front of your TV with your surround system. So really nicely laid out. You're going to have an AC in the living area, the room, and giving you, nice circulation of air conditioning. As you walk to the back of the coach, one thing you're going to see is that you have a really nice large garage. One thing you're going to see is that it's 15 feet. It's one of the largest in its class. You also have a separate bathroom back here, so giving you a really nice separation of living. If you have friends, family, or hanging out in the back or using it as a room, they're not going to have to use your bathroom, so giving it a really nice separation. As you can see, you have the opposing facing sofas and also the bunk bed above. Once again, this is a really nice coach. It lights up, LED lights everywhere, really nice cabinets, lots of space. There's a pantry. I mean, there's so many things to keep going on and on about this unit that I can just keep talking all day. So as you can see, this is a beautiful unit, lots of storage, making it nice for your weekend getaways or your extended stays. Once again, thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory. My name is Gaston.Chavarin. If you have any questions on this particular model or any other models like it, please make sure to give me a call. Phone number is 541-810-2202.